Welding can be a great skill to create unique and appealing home decor items that you can sell online. Here are some cool welding projects that you can consider to make and sell. Good morning and welcome back. I hope you people are doing so well. In this video we are going to show you some easy welding projects that you can create in your garage and at home or at a weekend, and you can sell it online and earn a handsome amount of money. So let's get started. Create intricate design of custom pattern using metal rod or the plotters. This can be abstract shapes, nature inspired motifs, and the personalized signs. Welding fibers can be a popular item for outdoor enthusiasts. Design fabricators fibers in various shapes and size, incorporating unique pattern and the customized logos. Welded metal planter can add an industrial and the modern touch to any home or garden. Experiment with different shapes and sizes to create interesting design. Use your welding skill or a craft sculpture for various metals such as steel, copper, animal, and the abstract form. Geometric shape can all the popular choice. Design and weld stylish shelves that can be used for displaying book, plants, or a decorative item. Consider incorporating wood or a glass element for added visual appeal. Create unique key holder by welding metal hook onto a decorative metal plate or the frame. Personalize them with initial names and the design. Weld custom wine rack with style and the functional design. You can experiment with different shapes and the configuration to create a visually interesting and appealing piece. Fabricated metal candle holder with intricate design and pattern. Consider incorporating different metal or adding a colored glass accents. Metal weld frame for clock, combining functionality with artistic design. Experiment with different shapes and the styles to create eye-catchy timepiece. Create one-of-a-kind metal structure frame that can be used to display photo or art frame. Experiment with different texture and the finishes to add a visual interest. Remember to consider the market demand, pricing, and the shipping logistics. When selling your creation online, promote your product through social media platforms, craft fairs, or the online marketplaces to reach a wider audience and increase your chance of earning a handsome amount of money. While unique and stylish wall shelves can be used to displaying small decor items, books, or plant. Experiment with different shapes and sizes to create functional and visually appealing design. Create custom coat rack and you can sell it online and earn a handsome amount of money. So here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel for more interesting video. Thank you so much. Here we are back again. Thanks for being here and do subscribe our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you some welding projects for beginner, scrap metal arts, upcycle metal, and metal do-it-by-yourself decoration.
projects. So let's get started. Welding is a fascinating and rewarding skill to learn. Not only does it give you a ability to repair and modify metal objects, but it also opens up a world of creative possibilities, from scrap metal art to upcycling metal for do-it-by-yourself decoration item. There are endless welding projects for beginners to explore. In this video, we will explore some beginner-friendly welding projects that are perfect for those just starting out in the world of welding. If you are looking to add some personality and charm to your garden, welded garden art is an excellent beginner welding project. Start by gathering some scrap metal piece of varying size and the shapes. These could be the old tool, machine part, or even discarded metal furniture. Decide on the design you want to create. For example, you could make a metal flower or a birdhouse or whimsical garden sculpture. Once you have your design in mind, use a welder to join the pieces of scrap metal together. Welding garden art is an excellent project for a beginner because it allows you to experiment with different welding techniques while creating something fun and unique. The bookends are practical and stylish addition to any bookshelves. However, instead of buying bookend from a store, why not make your own using upcycled metal? For this project, you will need two pieces of metal that are roughly the same size and the shapes. These could be the old metal sign, license plate, or even piece of scrap metal from an old car. Use a welder to join two pieces of metal together at 90-degree angle. Once you have welded a piece together, you can add any finishing touch, such as painting or sanding, to create a polished look. In the realm of artistic expression, metal welding has emerged as a captivating medium that melds strength and the elegance, utility and the creativity as a spark dance and the molten metal countless. The ancient craft of welding intertwines with the boundless imagination of art, breathing life into extraordinary sculptures, architectural marvels, and awe-inspiring art project. Journey with us as we delve into a captivating history of metal welding, uncovering the profound impact it has had to the world of art. The origin of welding date back to the Bronze Age, where early civilizations recognized the transformative power of joining metal. Ancient craftsmen utilized techniques such as fork welding, soldering, and brazing to fuse bronze, coppers, and the irons. These early experiments set the stage for the metamorphosis of welding metal, paving the way for future innovations and the artistic inspirations and the expressions. While welding initially found in place industrial application, get started. Metal welding is a technique that has been used in furniture design for centuries. It is a process that involves joining pieces of metal together to form a storage, strong and durable structure. Welding can be increasingly popular in the furniture industry. It is allow for the creation of unique, intricate design that would not be possible with other materials. In this video, we will explore some metal welding furniture ideas that are both functional and aesthetically appealing. One of the most popular types of metal welding furniture is the industrial style table. These tables are typically made from heavy duty steel and have a rustic raw look that is perfect for a modern home. Industrial style tables are often used in dining rooms, kitchen, and the living spaces. Then you can pair with a variety of different chairs to create a unique look. And other popular type of metal welding furniture is a metal chair. Metal chairs are often used in outdoor seating such as patio and gardens. They are durable and the weather resistance make them a great choice for outdoor use. Metal chair can also be used indoor in a modern and a minimalist homes to create a sleek and a contemporary look. The metal welding can also be used to create a unique and intricate wall art. Metal wall art can be a texture and the dimension to a room can be used as a focal point or to add interest to a plain wall. Metal wall art can be made in a variety of shapes and the sizes and can be painted or left raw for more industrial look. Metal welding can also be used to create shelving unit. Metal shelves are often used in modern and minimalist homes and can be used to display books, art, and other decorative items. Metal shelves are often made from thin sheet or a sheet that are welded together to form a strong and durable structure. Another popular furniture ideas is the metal bed frame. Metal bed frame is often used in the industrial and a modern home and can be paired with a variety of different bedding to create a unique look. Metal bed frames are often made from thick steel tubbing that is welded together to form a sturdy frame. The metal welding can also be used to create unique and functional storage unit.